mom doesn't go work on Friday. Me too. On Saturday and Sunday, my dad didn't go work. Only on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What take you to school? My dad. Then when it's 11 minutes, it's done. My dad goes to work. So he can pick you up and he goes to work. Oh yeah, it's just marble. That's just marble. Oh, Chuchu's marble. What the accent? Chuchu!